getting ahead of myself. Anyway, that's the idea. All right, it starts on F minor. We're going to keep the same keys, just move the thumb and the little finger of the left hand down in a chromatic way. Start on F, A flat, C, F minor chord, of course, both hands identical. But you're going to start with the F first, and then play the A flat C. That continues this pattern through the intro. Now come down to the E and play the same thing in the right hand, A flat C. And you see what we're going to be doing is going down to the E flat, keep the same thing in the right, in the upper part, to the D. So you're going to play it until you get to the D. So start on the F, use the pedal if you can, E, E flat, D. Now when we get to here, it's going to be a B flat, A flat, it's a B flat minor 7 is what it is. B flat, A flat in the left, D flat in the right. Those three notes. Now here, I like to add the F when I play this part, but you don't have to. Start here, we just said, C for the melody, B flat, A flat, so you're doing this. And again, I like to add the F there. Now we come to a C chord, C, G in the left, C, E, G in the right. And then it keeps a beat. You can just play that G if you want. So here's what we have so far. Now we come to an F major chord. I like to do it like this with a beat. The F in the left hand is going to start with an octave, and then come up here for the second beat and play F, A, C. Now for the right hand, it's an F chord, C, A, F, and I like to add the C. You don't have to. If it's too much of a stretch, just play C, A, F. And repeat it for Michelle. Now we come down here, same B minor chord we played before, B flat, A flat in the left, D flat in the right. Now the melody is a C sharp, or a D flat rather, A flat. It's better to sing along with this song too. Now we come to an E flat 6. E flat, G, B flat, C in the left, E flat, G in the right. The sixth part, the C, is part of the melody. Now for the word go, it's a diminished chord. D, F, A flat, B in the left, D, F in the right. The melody continues on the A flat. Back to the same C that we played before. Now for this part, this one, you need to play a G, F in the left, which is a G7 of course, G, F in the left, but here's this one. You're going to play an A flat with your thumb in the right. That's kind of like a, it's the G obviously sharped up 1/2 step, but that's the way it's written. So that's G, F in the left, G sharp, B, F in the right. And you come up to the G sharp as part of the fill. Again. Now we go, and we're back to the beginning again on the F. part. That's the melody. You don't have to play it. You can sing it if you want. It's an F minor, F, A flat, C. The E flat is part of the melody up here if you can reach it. Here's the melody. Stay on the F minor. Now for the next part, we come down to A flat 7. A flat, G flat in the left, C, E flat, G flat in the right, and an A flat here. And the melody is up here, C and C sharp or D flat. Now for this part, D flat. D flat, A flat in the left, D flat, F, A flat in the right. And you can fill by coming down here to the D flat down here if you want to fill there. So here's what we have. Now we go here. Until I find a way. There's a little bit of fill here. To this D flat here. Now we come to a C. Until I. Now when you get to the word find, you're going to come up here. Here's a C octave in the left, G, C, E, G in the right. You can also play the C up here. Now, find a way. I'm playing a C octave first in the left. Now the word find, I come up to a D octave in the left and a D, F in the right. Now I move up again. That's an E octave in the left, E, G in the right. F in the left, F, A sharp, excuse me, F, A flat in the right. So here's it. Until I find a way. Now, that's the word way. You're going to leave the F octave in the left, but you're going to continue up. B, G, B flat to an A flat, C. These two. So, until you wind up on the F minor again. F, A flat, C. That's all that is. I will say the only. Now we're back to the intro that we played before. Repeats. And of course then it repeats to the next verse. And repeats. Now, there's a middle part here.